Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your lagging on your iPhone. So if you're using your iPhone and you have seen some lag, so for fixing it you just need to, first thing you need to try is to turn off and turn on your iPhone. And also another thing you can also try is to do hard reset on your iPhone. So you can do it by clicking on lock button and on lower volume button and just wait some time until you will see Apple logo. So your screen will disappear and you will see Apple logo. So it will mean, here you can see that you successfully made a hard reset on your iPhone. So it depends on your model of your iPhone, because in some models you need to click on lock button and just on home button. So it depends on model of iPhone you have. You can just check info in the internet, what combination of buttons you need to click to enter to this mod, to hard reset. So this is how it works. So I hope I help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.